I welcome you all to this live interactive session for the remote sensing and GIS course. I am Dr. Rishikesh Bharti. I am the course instructor of this course. So in this session, we will see some of the queries that you have already posted and some of the instructions related to assignment that I am going to explain here. So let us see one by one. So first of the instruction is before asking your questions, please read the forum discussion. So keep following whatever other students they are asking. So it is possible that whatever you want to ask, it has already been asked by someone else. So don't repeat your question unless until it is not asked. And then second is this is very very important. Please ask your questions well before the due date of the assignment. Because what happens if you post your question just before the deadline, you will receive our response because we are not always online, right? So if you have posted your question, we may take 1 hour, 2 hours to reply you. And then if we fail to reply immediately, then you will be missed and your assignment will be delayed. Then some of the questions in your assignments are conceptual and many students have raised this query. So yes, I have given some of the conceptual question in your assignment. That is because it is the mandate of the NPTEL. We have followed the standard guideline. So you need to use the concept explained in the lectures to solve them. And this is as per the guideline of NPTEL. Conceptual questions are mandatory that can be from lectures as well as suggested extra readings. And do not ask the same question from your assignment. So many times I have seen that you just copy and paste the assignment question and put it in the discussion forum. So there is no point of asking the same question which I have asked you to solve. So do not expect any reply for such questions. And lecture notes, these are available in the website. So please refer to NPTEL course website. And no PPT, PDF will be made available from my side. And this is my sincere request. Please read the books because lecture notes I have prepared by reading many books. So you may not find all the contents in one book. So try to get 1, 2, or 3 books and read them so that you will have the comprehensive knowledge. And another which is very unexpected question. Somebody asked in the discussion forum, what is black body? So these are very fundamental questions that whoever asked, I'm not going to name him or her. So it is expected that you are familiar with the 10th, 12th level physics and maths. So don't ask such questions. Please read, right? And in this course, there are no software related demonstration. This is only for the theoretical concept, right? However, I have tried my best so that you can get the hands-on experience also. So what happens if you are, suppose, let us say freely available software, if you are using QGIS, so you can perform all these things in QGIS. That software is freely available. You don't have to pay any money. But in this course, what I tried is I tried to give you the basic knowledge about what is happening in that software. So just clicking and getting the result, that will not serve the purpose. You need to know why you are clicking or opting such modules in a given software. That actually I have tried in this course. Now, some of the question which is being asked by some of the students. So first is Aswarya, she asked like, how can we understand the satellite DN to solve our numerical? So please follow the video. However, I have 1 or 2 slides for you. I will show at the end. And next is Anamika is asking monitoring urban heat island related to that. So see, these are very specific questions. So here the motive of this course is to make you familiar with remote sensing and GIS and what exactly the strength and weaknesses of the remote sensing and GIS that you will learn. Now, solving a particular example or particular problem, maybe you might be doing this for your MTech or PhD. So this is very different. So this discussion forum or this live interactive session only for the syllabus what has been prepared for this particular course. Then Manish has raised a very valid question. So there are many such queries in the discussion forum. So I just put the Manish question here. So this question, the week 3 assignment question number 3, this question will be ignored while evaluating. So don't worry about that. Only this happened because of some technical problem. I uploaded the question, but somehow that matrix was not uploaded. So anyway, so it happened. So I will exclude this in the evaluation, right? So don't worry about that. And related to Aswarya's query, related to DN number and all. So here, just see, this is the repetition. Nothing new I'm going to tell you. If you carefully listen my videos, lecture videos, you will be able to understand this. So when we have sun as our source of light, so what happened? It provides the irradiance and that passes through our atmosphere and it reaches to our ground. Then when our ground is illuminated, what will happen? This will, some amount of energy will get reflected back. So this reflected energy will reach to our sensor and the sensor will record that energy using a ADC, analog to digital converter. That energy will be converted to some number. So directly you see this kind of image, but these images nothing but a matrix where each element represents the digital number of a particular pixel. Once you have this, this is basically the scaled value. So you need to connect, because this DN value is not a unique value because it depends on your illumination condition. So if illumination is very good, you will get very good number in your DN. If it is bad, if it is a cloudy day, your DN for the same pixel will be less. So what happens? We convert to DN to radians. And for that, I have given this formula: radians is equal to DN into band scale factor plus offset. So this band scale factor and offset, these will be provided by the space agency. So in case if you are using Landsat 8 data, because some of the assignment questions require these information. So what you have to do, you have to visit the USGS website, download a sample image or one scene for any given area. You will get the band scale factor and offset. Those band scale factor and offset will be used here in this equation. Like here, this is given in the table. So this scale factor and offset you don't have to use. You have to refer to those space agencies website where you can download the data, and that information you put here, and then you will be able to calculate the radiance. There was another formula for the calibrated radiance. So this is here, but in your assignment, this has not been asked, right? Now, once you have radiance, you can use this reflectance top of the atmosphere equation, and you can convert this to reflectance. So this is what actually we have tried in the assignment. So yes, I do agree that many of you might not have the remote sensing background. For them, it is a completely new subject. But try to learn this because this is nothing very different what you have learned in your 10th, 12th, right? Only thing is the way we are utilizing the knowledge of physics and maths, it is different. Otherwise, the basics remain same. So please follow books as well as carefully listen my videos. And the best part is you can listen my videos twice or thrice. So and then you will be able to answer the assignment questions. So I hope that's fine. Thank you very much. So that's all for today. We will have another session very soon. Thank you. So as no student is online, can we stop this?
हेलो सर,
Yeah. Can we stop this?
आपका तो हो गया ना, बाकी कुछ तो नहीं
हाँ
है।
हाँ हाँ
ठीक है
हाँ
सर,
मेरा हो गया।
ठीक है सर,
ठीक है,
स्टॉप कर
थैंक यू।
सकते हैं। थैंक यू
हाँ
सर।
थैंक यू।